Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I decided to do a look based on the Nubian Royal palette. Comes with a bunch of shades of purple because you know purple is the most royal color out there. I was so hyped when I saw these like promoted and I said I have to buy them like right now. So this is today's look. You guys keep watching to see how I created it and let me know your thoughts below, any comments, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in a bit. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Hit the subscribe button right here. Share with your friends, family, whoever. It's makeup, so I don't mind. Tune in next week so I can feature this palette, which is the Nubian Glow palette. And hopefully after that, Wahala 2 might be in the near future. So stay tuned. Give me your feedback. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.